All right, we are back out here at the portfolio project, and as you can see, we have all of the roofs finished, and there's some jet noise. You hear it? We're very close to the base. This is our next one that we'll be working on, and that one there. All right, let's go look inside. We call her Betty because she was in the best shape. And her plumbing is almost finished. We had to do all new plumbing, all new electrical, roofs, windows. We had to do a lot of work in these guys. Let's see. She really looks good right now. New HVAC, new cabinets, new countertops. Do everything in the bathrooms. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We had lots of sheetrock work. We added closets. We reconfigured these guys so that we could have washers and dryers in the units. We put a closet right here by the door. Check it out. New water heater. New plumbing, obviously. And these are the washer and dryer closets. So yeah, she is almost finished. This window here is on order. And of course I measured it wrong. That's okay, things happen. So, all right, check back later and see the progress on the next one. See you later, bye.